$1.9 million, $950, $235, three completely different homes, all in one county, all in Arlington, Virginia. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what your money buys you at each one of these price points, and more importantly, which one actually makes sense for your situation. Because Arlington is one of the most layered, most misunderstood real estate markets in the entire DMV. And what you think you know about it might be costing you. Hi, I'm Charlie Bengel with the collective at REMAX Allegiance. We've helped thousands of families buy and sell homes across the DC metro area. And today I'm walking you through 3 real, active Arlington listings, each one at a drastically different price point, so you can see what is actually possible in this market right now. Whether you're relocating to the area, thinking about making a move up, or just trying to figure out where you even fit, this is the video you need to watch. Here's what most people get wrong about Arlington. They hear the name and assume one thing. They think it is all $1 million teardowns and overpriced townhouses with no yard. Or they think it's all Pentagon City high-rises and metro condos. The reality is so much more nuanced than that. Arlington has pockets where you can still get in for under $250. It has neighborhoods where $950,000 gets you a charming home steps from Clarendon. And yes, it has streets where close to $2 million gets you one of the most well-appointed colonials you will find inside the Beltway. The range is enormous, and most buyers, especially those coming from out of state, have no idea how much variety actually exists here. So let's break it down. I'm going to start at the top and work my way down, and I want you to pay close attention, not only to just the features of each home, but to the neighborhoods, the schools, the commute dynamics, and the lifestyle trade-offs. Because at the end of the day, the right home in Arlington is not always the most expensive one. It's the one that fits your life. Let's start with the big one. This beautiful home listed by Rob Ferguson with our company, REMAX Allegiance, in the Yorktown neighborhood of North Arlington. Listed at just under $1.9 million, this is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, all brick colonial sitting on a 10,000 square foot lot, and it delivers nearly 4,700 square feet of finished living space. Built in 1990, this is not a brand new build, and that's actually part of the appeal. This is a home that was built during an era when construction quality was genuinely excellent. Real brick, real hardwood, solid bones. Let me walk you through it. You pull up to the home, and the first thing you notice is the curb appeal. Updated paver driveway leading to a side-load 2-car garage with built-in shelving. An exposed aggregate walkway up to a covered front entry, mature landscaping. This home presents well from the street, and that matters because in North Arlington, first impressions carry serious weight with resale value. Inside, the main level gives you exactly what you want in a home that is at this price point. Formal living room with crown molding and a wood-burning fireplace with a marble surround. Formal dining room with fresh paint and a new chandelier. A gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, 42-inch white paneled cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar, and a built-in desk. It's not recently updated, but it's clean and looks quite nice. That kitchen opens up to a family room with another fireplace, built-in's a hideaway wet bar, and French doors leading out to the deck. There's also a private home office with built-ins. Upstairs, the primary suite has cathedral ceilings, its own wood-burning fireplace, 2 walk-in closets with built-ins, a dressing area, and a spa bath with a jetted soaking tub and a glass-enclosed shower. 3 additional bedrooms up here, one with its own renovated ensuite. The finished walkout lower level gives you a rec room with yet another brick fireplace, a guest bedroom with built-ins, a full bath, and a utility room. This home has 4 fireplaces total. That's not something you see every day. Now let's talk about why the location matters. This home sits in the Yorktown School Pyramid. Discovery Elementary rated 8 out of 10 per Great Schools. Williamsburg Middle, also 8 out of 10, and Yorktown High, 9 out of 10. For families focused on schools, this is one of the strongest public school pyramids in all of Northern Virginia. You're also 2 blocks from Yorktown High School, right across from the Knights of Columbus, and close to parks, shopping, and dining, along the Lee Highway and Williamsburg Boulevard corridors. The walk score is 44, so you're still going to need a car, but the bike score is 54 and the transit score is 42 with bus access that connects you to the Orange Line. At $400 a foot with no HOA, this home is priced competitively for what it delivers in the specific pocket of North Arlington. Taxes run about $18,500 a year, and estimated monthly payments with 20% down are going to land around $10,800 a month. That's big money, but for a buyer who needs the space, the school pyramid, and the location inside the Beltway, this does check every box. And here's the thing most out-of-state buyers do not realize about North Arlington. Properties like this, in this school pyramid, on a 10,000 square foot lot with this kind of finish level, they don't sit around forever. This one actually already went under contract. That tells you what demand looks like in this pocket. The absorption rate, which is the rate in which homes sell in a certain area in North Arlington, for homes in this range, is tight. Well-priced inventory moves. Alright, so that's what close to 1.9 million gets you in Arlington. But now I want to show you something completely different, because the next home is about half that price, and it's going to challenge everything you think you know about what a sub-$1 million home looks like in one of the most desirable zip codes in Northern Virginia. Let's go to Lyon Park, $950,000, and listed by Deborah Davis with our company, REMAX Allegiance. 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, about 1,000 square feet above grade on a 2,100 square foot lot. This is a beautifully updated duplex built in 1941, and if you know anything about Arlington, you know that Lyon Park is one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in the entire county. Let me tell you why this listing is so interesting. First, the location. Lyon Park sits right between Clarendon and Courthouse, two of the most walkable, most vibrant corridors in all of Northern Virginia. You're minutes from Route 50, minutes from the metro, and you have immediate access to some of the best shopping and dining in Arlington. The Clarendon Strip alone, which is just a short walk from this home, gives you everything from upscale restaurants to boutique fitness studios to coffee shops and grocery stores. If walkability is high on your priority list, this neighborhood delivers at a level that most of Arlington simply cannot match. Now let us talk about the home itself. At 1,020 square feet, above grade, this is not a sprawling colonial like we talked about a minute ago, but what it lacks in square footage, it makes up for in character updates and lifestyle positioning. You've got 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths spread across 3 levels, which means every bedroom has its own bathroom. That's a feature you typically do not find at this price point. The home has been beautifully updated with an updated kitchen featuring crisp white cabinetry, new quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. There's a screened porch, which is a rare find in this part of Arlington, and a genuine lifestyle upgrade during the spring and fall months. And you have a private fenced backyard, which in a neighborhood this dense and this close to the urban core is not something you take for granted. The finishes are clean and modern, light-filled living spaces, hardwood-style flooring, and an overall layout that feels efficient without feeling cramped. The finished lower level adds usable space beyond that 1,000 square foot above grade number, which is important context when you are evaluating the price per square foot. At $931 per square foot. Based on the above grade footage, this is one of those listings where the number looks aggressive on paper. But you're not just paying for the house, you're paying for the dirt underneath it, and in Lyon Park, that dirt is some of the most valuable in the county. Schools here are Long Branch Elementary, Jefferson Middle, and Washington Liberty High School. Washington Liberty, formerly Washington Lee, is one of the most well-known high schools in Arlington and carries strong name recognition throughout the DMV. The school pyramid here is solid, and the neighborhood itself has a real sense of community with tree-lined streets, sidewalks, and a neighborhood feel that is hard to replicate. Let me give you the financial picture. Taxes are about $8,600 a year, and estimated monthly payments with 20% down come in around $5,300 a month. There's not an HOA, and here is the appreciation story that matters. This same home sold in 2023 for $802. It's now listed at $950,000, and the previous sale before that in 2018 was for $600. From 2018 to today, this home has appreciated over 50%. That's what Lyon Park does to real estate values. Proximity to the metro, proximity to Clarendon and Courthouse, walkability, and a finite supply of homes in a neighborhood that never gets bigger. Those factors compound over time. For a buyer who prioritizes lifestyle and location over square footage, who wants to walk to restaurants and the metro instead of driving everywhere, and who understands that they are buying into one of the strongest appreciation corridors in the DMV, this home makes a tremendous amount of sense. It's a completely different value proposition than the North Arlington Colonial, and that is exactly the point. Okay, so we've covered 1.9 gets you and what 950 gets you. Two completely different homes, two completely different neighborhoods, two completely different lifestyles. But I saved the interesting one for last because what I'm about to show you is how you can own a piece of Arlington for the price of a used car in some markets. And it comes with a pool. Let's check out George Mason Village condominiums, listed by Brian Block with REMAX Allegiance for $250. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 687 square feet. Before you scroll past this one, hear me out, because this listing tells a story about Arlington that a lot of people miss. This is a beautifully updated condo in a 1965 building that has had nearly $50,000 in recent renovations. We're talking a completely renovated kitchen with 42-inch white cabinetry, quartz countertops, a stylish backsplash, brand new stainless steel appliances including a gas range, and luxury vinyl plank flooring. The bathroom has been updated with new tile work, a pedestal sink, and updated lighting. Brand new plush carpeting throughout the living spaces. Fresh neutral paint, recessed lighting. This is move-in ready in every sense of the word. The layout's smart. You walk into a bright living area with twin picture windows, bringing in natural light. The dining room opens through a sliding glass door to a large covered balcony, which is your outdoor living space. The bedroom is spacious enough for a sitting area and has 2 extra large walk-in closets. 2 walk-in closets in a 1-bedroom condo. That's exceptional storage that you almost never find at this price point. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The HOA fee is $638 a month, and I know that sounds high at first, but look at what is included. All of the utilities: electric, gas, water, heat, air conditioning, and cable TV. Plus trash removal, snow removal, grounds maintenance, structural maintenance, parking, insurance, and access to the community pool, picnic and grilling areas, playground, and jogging paths. What you would be paying separately for all of those utilities in a rental, the HOA starts to look like a very different number. Your total estimated monthly payment, including principal, interest, HOA, and taxes, comes in at roughly $1,950 a month. Let me say that again, under $2,000 a month to own in Arlington, Virginia. Try finding a 1-bedroom rental in Arlington for that price with all of the utilities included, and a pool, and a covered balcony. This home is minutes from Charlington Village, which is one of the best walkable neighborhoods in the entire DMV. Restaurants, shops, the Signature Theater, the Arlington Central Library branch, all right there. You have easy access to I-395, Route 50, and you're close to multiple bus lines. The walk score is 61, the bike score is 76, and the transit score is 58. For a young professional, a first-time buyer, or someone looking for an investment property, this is one of the most compelling value plays in the Arlington market right now. And the appreciation story is remarkable. The same unit sold for $140,000 in 2017. It's now listed at $235,000. That's significant equity growth for a sub-$250,000 asset in a county where the fundamentals just keep getting stronger. Think about what is happening around this area. Amazon HQ2 and National Landing is just a few miles away. The Virginia Tech Innovation Campus is coming online. Defense and tech hiring along the Route 1 and Crystal City corridors continues to bring new residents into the county every single month. That demand does not just benefit the $1 million homes, it lifts every price tier, and it makes a $235,000 entry point into this market look smarter with every passing year. Now, if you're watching this and starting to think about where you fit in the Arlington market, whether that is at $200,000 level, the $900,000 level, or the $2 million level, I want to help you figure that out. Click the link in the description below to schedule a strategy session with our team. We will walk you through your budget, your timeline, your priorities, and we will put together a real plan that matches you with the right neighborhood and the right home. No pressure, no gimmicks, just real strategy from a team that has done this literally thousands of times. So let us zoom out for a second, because I think there is a bigger lesson here that goes beyond these 3 individual listings. Arlington, Virginia is a 26 square mile county. And within those 26 square miles, you have a real estate market that ranges from $200,000 to well over $3 million. You've got condos, townhouses, duplexes, single-family ranches, colonials, new construction, 1920s bungalows, mid-century moderns, and everything in between. You have neighborhoods that feel like small-town suburbia and neighborhoods that feel like a dense urban core. And that is exactly why so many buyers, especially those relocating from out of state, get it wrong. They look at average home prices in Arlington, see a number like $800,000 or $900,000, and they either assume they cannot afford it or they assume they know what that buys them. Neither assumption is usually correct. The reality is that Arlington rewards buyers who understand the micro neighborhoods, the school pyramids, the commute patterns, the future infrastructure investments, and the trade-offs at each price point. That's exactly what we just walked through today. The $1.9 million home gives you best-in-class schools, nearly 5,000 square feet of living space, 4 fireplaces, a 10,000 square foot lot, and one of the most desirable addresses inside the Beltway. It is the full package for a family that is ready to plant roots in North Arlington and wants a home that will hold and grow its value for decades. The $950,000 home in Lyon Park gives you walkability to Clarendon and the Metro, a charming updated duplex with a private yard and screened porch, 3 bedrooms each with their own bath, and one of the strongest appreciation tracks in the county. It is the lifestyle play for a buyer who values location and urban convenience over raw square footage. And the $250,000 condo on South George Mason Drive gives you a renovated move-in ready home with a pool, all utilities included, and a monthly payment under $2,000 in a county where median rents are significantly higher than that. It is the smartest play for someone who wants to stop renting and start building equity without taking on a massive financial commitment. 3 homes, 3 price points, 3 completely different lives, and all of them are in Arlington. That is the reality of this market, and it is exactly why working with someone who understands the nuances at every level matters so much. I've been doing this for 27 years and across the DMV. I've seen every cycle, every shift, every pocket of opportunity in this market. And whether you are moving here from across the country, upgrading from a townhouse to a single-family home, or buying your very first place, the right strategy makes all of the difference. If this video helped you see Arlington in a new way, hit that like button and subscribe so you do not miss the next video. And if you are ready to take the next step, click the link below to schedule a strategy session with our team at The Collective. We will help you build a plan that actually makes sense for your goals, your budget, and your timeline. Let us get you home.